A partir de agora, o sossego acabou.
The funk music anymore. All I need is to be good. I'm already good. Start.
Welcome to Vet Repair.
Turn on the lights. Okay, I get this. I remember this. Yeah. Nope. Thought I had to, like, do something. Like, I don't know what I had to do. Oh, that! There's some tape. Nope. And then I do that. Oh, now there's... blue, red, green, orange. Yes. Is that it? That was it?
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job. See you next time.
What do you mean a perfect 72 degrees? Would I be burning then? That was crazy how last video
We hope you're enjoying the Fazbear virtual experience. Please be aware that there may be visual artifacts left behind.
Ennard. You're my biggest enemy.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental.
It
has been 0 days since last incident.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Thinking of it, nice that I beat FNAF 3 on my Nintendo Switch, I think. Springtrap with Bug.
Well done.
Okay, here's the one that I think Ennard is in. So I have to be careful or something. Where that one is. There's that one.
Well done.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm not gonna say what happens in the dark version of this one. I'm gonna say that I'm pretty scared.
Well done.
Yeah, Ennard, you're done. Jesus! Hallelujah! That boy scared me faster than a wrecking ball, man. Dude, what was that? What just opened up? Oh! Is that dirty in here. Ugh. Ugh. Speed it up a little. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, it's this one again.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
I think I have to do that. And then, like, something else is supposed to. I can just grab. I don't think I need that one anymore, so. Oh, yeah. Need something. Give me a break. Oh, I see your booty. Can I even grab anything? I think I have to. No, I just have to look at him to make him go away. No, no, no. It always happens to me. Why is it always me, 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 me? Don't look behind me. Why? Is that Donkey Kong? I'm playing Night 5 for now. Go.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been-
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Get up.
Well done.
Do not let them know. Ah, my hand! My hand! My hand!
Well done.
I remember when I had to guess all these. Now I don't because I'm actually good at the game. Is that one? That one, I think, was the one.
Well done.
Yeah, and you never scared me. Dude, I'm still wondering how I beat Night 5 on FNAF 3. I feel like I'm in heaven after beating Night 5, Night 3 was harder than Night 5. I don't even know why, but Night 3 took me like 15 tries. Night 5 only took me like 5 tries.
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Hey. Let me grab it. Let me grab it. And I will punch you in the face. Dude, or can I just not grab it? I hate this game so much. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and
I just have to breathe. Just breathe. My doctor says
Motion
I have to
trigger.
breathe.
Breaker room.
well done. Well done.
It's this one. The one with Ender in it. Or should I say a nerd? And not Rose Ender.
Well done.
Boom. I want to sit down too. Bro, my head hurts. I just got a haircut today and now I'm playing the Oculus. Okay, I should be here. What even was that? Okay, I think I'll be able to speedrun it. So you know where I'm going with this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just give me...
Motion trigger. Secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
Now what I do is this. And I grab it again. And I go... Dude.
Well done.
Yes. Don't forget to grab this. I liked how this game counts which coins you collect and which coins you haven't. Makes it way more easier. To the pipes. The pipes are the problem. I don't like this. Vent repair. Look at that. More confusing than my grandpa being dead. Which one are you gonna give me first?
Motion trigger. Boiler room.
Oh, that's boiler room. Are we gonna boil this dude? I think we're gonna boil this dude.
Well done.
Oh, that was it? Oh, that was it. No, I feel like it's gonna be this one. Two. One. Do one.
done.
Yes! My dude gonna boil alive? Are we boiling Ennard? Dude, what is that? Dude, what's happening? What?
Well done. A perfect 72 degrees. See you next time.
Okay. What? Okay.
You're doing a great job, and no doubt having a great time as well.
End of the video.
As a reminder, please be sure to only interact with core gameplay elements and avoid anything that could potentially be considered a glitch, mistake, or embedded message from unauthorized personnel.
Okay. Now, that's the end of the video. If you want more videos, I'll probably beat FNAF 1, FNAF 2, or Dark Rooms. So, that's the end of the video, and goodbye.